Previously on Onboard Lifestyle, the crew lands in Zihuatanejo and treks the city streets to see what this town has to offer.
I haven't seen Italian basil in so long.
We decide to start a few projects, so we roll up our sleeves and get to work.
So here's my template.
This place has been on our bucket list, but we still have a lot to do. We will pick up our story at Anchor, balancing work and play because that is what we do.
We're talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better.
Okay, just another normal day on basic. I'm getting some schoolwork done. Compass is just kind of hanging out. My dad is working on the battery compartments. We got some laundry done, and all morning my mom has been scrubbing the bottom.
Man, the hard part is all these fish that are following me. Kind of creepy.
There's so many.
I know, but they like come right up. Look at this. All this is fish. Trying to eat what I off the boat.
The water's in the mid-80s here, so it's super warm, but there's also a lot of growth here, so we have been scrubbing the bottom every single day. When I'm done with my school, I'm gonna go and help her. She's right underneath the boat right now. How's it going? Good. With a good productive workday under our belts, the crew decided to head ashore to grab a few tacos and check out the nightlife. Like most towns in Mexico, they tend to light up with activity as the sun goes down. So this should be fun.
Of course, we had to stop for a little snack.
Oh my god. Amazing.
This was it's only 2 left. It was 5 tacos. 5 tacos for $2.50.
So good.
How was it, Emma?
After our little snack, we decided to walk towards the Malecon. The streets were filled with families enjoying the cooler evening temperatures, eating food, and watching the local basketball teams play on the colorful waterfront court.
Woke up this morning, thought it was just another day, and it appears that we are right in the midst of a fishing tournament. There are hundreds of boats out here, and I think that their kickoff time is 8 o'clock, so should be quite interesting. Lots of excitement, and I'm sure lots of fish are going to be caught today.
Fairing's done and sanded. Now Lynn's in here putting the barrier coat down.
It's fumy.
It is fumy. We got all the hatches open. Well, let's get it down and walk outside. Hey, it's looking pretty good.
Yeah. Slowly but surely, we're gonna get all of this boat in tip-top shape.
I know. Look at this. There is some wood on this boat. A little bit of the furniture is done with mahogany.
Well, you started also with wood.
I did. I used marine grade poplar ply on some of ours, but this is all original inside here. Got it all sanded and faired. It's gonna be our new battery compartment. Well, just the end of it is.
Part of it, yeah.
Yeah. The rest will be storage. Actually, we could just keep stacking the batteries down here if you...
We don't need
I know, we're fine. I'll start a new one.
A new tape ball. Oh no.
It's a small one, but I gotta start somewhere. Big day today.
big day. You always say that.
Hey, we're gonna go for breakfast and then on an excursion.
Alright, so today is going to be a fun day because we found out that there is a little bit of intrigue here in Zihuatanejo. Aside from the fact that Shawshank Redemption was, they had some scenes here, we found out from some locals that there's also a place called the Parthenon, also known as the General's House.
And it's kind of, it's not open to the public, but it is. It's kind of a gray area. Wow. Nothing like breakfast on the beach.
I know, right? And it was actually cheaper to go here than it was to go in town.
I know, look at this. That is about a $5, not even a $5 breakfast.
No, it wasn't. It was like $4.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
Huevos rancheros.
And I got a ham omelet, and Emma got her favorite.
Chilaquiles.
Okay, dead end. Actually, it's right up here. So we got to go back down 100 steps and up the street a little bit further. I don't know how we didn't see this.
Arturo El Negro de Razo Morena rose to the chief of police position from 1976 to 1982 in Mexico City. Despite holding his position for only 6 years, his crooked egomaniacal behavior rose him to power. El Negro managed to convert Mexico City's police department into a racketeering empire and received huge amounts of kickbacks from an illegal cocaine smuggling ring. He was referred to as the General in Zihuatanejo because El Negro petitioned himself to become a 5-star general, despite never even serving in the military. Large amounts of his laundered money was funneled into lavish mansions as his personal retreats. The Parthenon of El Negro was his seaside playhouse, with its ostentatious Greek styling, faux classic statues decorating the gardens, porticos dripping with flowers, and several pools overlooking the bay. Eventually, El Negro's Parthenon fell into ruin when he was convicted on charges of smuggling, extortion, and corruption in 1984. It's possible to approach the manor's tall wrought iron gates, and for a token unofficial fee, the groundskeeper may grant you access to the property. Unfortunately, we were politely turned away.
Well, we've been denied. They're putting in a little bit of infrastructure, new roads to this place. So they said we can't go in. Quite the walk up here, but wow. Look at this view. This is what we were trying to get to. The Parthenon. That was a long, sweaty walk for nothing.
Yeah, so that's the caretaker, and he said that people just start showing up to do work, so he doesn't know what's going on, and nobody's telling him anything, but right now it's closed to the public. So.
Oh well, at least we got some nice views in. With the day half gone, I decided to knock out the trays in our new battery compartment extension. It's the perfect little project to make today feel, well, a bit more accomplished. We saved a few scraps of the synthetic materials we had used back when the original trays were made, so it's just a matter of laying out the cuts and forming the new battery trays. I took measurements from the existing trays to fasten as many of the pieces together outside of this restrictive working area. Once assembled, I can now secure the new trays down to the bridge deck using all stainless steel fasteners. The last step for today will be to slide the batteries in place to see how they will sit in their new home. The fit is perfect, but it's been a long day, so it's time to wind things up.
Wait! Before you go, we have some really exciting news. We are up for 2 International Cruisers Awards presented at the Annapolis Boat Show and hosted by the Young Cruisers Association. The 2 categories that we are nominated for are Best YouTube Episode and Clip of the Year. The link is in the description, so please vote for us. Voting ends at the end of September, so go Team Basic! Anyways guys, thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. So far, Zihuatanejo has lived up to the hype. An amazing town with quite the history. We want to give a special thanks to our patrons, whose support makes these videos possible. Join our crew if you can. Come back next week as our time in Zihuatanejo must come to an end. The crew from Basic has to keep up with our southern migration. See you then!